Welcome back, designers. Many people get confused when trying to create this kind of crease or protrusion on curved surface in Fusion 360. In this video, I will show you how to make it easily in the Surface workspace using simple profiles and Loft Surface tool. I'm using a basic profile here, but you can experiment with your own to get unique shapes and effects. After watching this, you will be confident in creating surface protrusion of any form with ease. So let's get started. Okay, let's start by sketching on the right plane. Invoke right plane and let's take center rectangle and from origin draw a rectangle of width 12. Press the tab key and enter. Length 60. Okay. Now take 3-point arc and connecting two corners of the rectangle, draw an arc. Then let's give radius 70 and we can trim the unwanted entities. Trim the entities. Okay. Now to make the sketch fully defined, let's give the remaining dimensions. It's 30 and the height 6. Okay. Now let's give constraint. Take horizontal constraint and make the line horizontal and this line vertical. Okay. Now the sketch is fully defined. Now let's give fillet to the corners. To these two corners, give fillet of radius 3. Okay, finish sketch. Now let's go to Surface Workbench and invoke Extrude feature. Okay. Select the profile and direction symmetric. Distance 75 and enter. Yes. Now we can close this. For that, invoke patch and select both the edges. Now you can see surface has created. Okay. Now we are going to create a profile on the top plane. Take center rectangle and from origin draw a rectangle of length 45. Press the tab key and enter 11. Okay. We are going to split the face here. Finish sketch and from modify take split face and select this top face and as splitting tool select the sketch. Okay. Now this rectangular face is isolated. Now we can delete it. Right click and choose delete. Yes. Now let's sketch on the front plane. We can project it, invoke project and select this face. Now at the intersection the line has been projected. Yes. Now let's take tangent arc and from here draw an arc of radius 5.7. This profile is for lofting. You can also create your own profiles. Okay. Now here let's give radius 4.8. Now from the center of the arc to the origin, the distance is 17. Yes. Now the sketch is fully defined. So the crease is going to be created in this shape. Now in Box Loft, select this edge as first profile, select the chain selection, remove the chain selection and choose this edge. OK. In Profile 1, change to Tangent and here align to Surface so that the profile will be aligned to the existing surface. Here also Tangent, align to Surface. Yes. Now guide rails, you have to select both guide rails. These two edges. Now let's invoke create sketch and select the top plane as sketching plane. Invoke center rectangle and create a rectangle of width 45 and press the tab key and enter 141. OK. Before patterning, we have to remove the surface. For that we are creating this. Now in Box Trim, select this rectangular sketch first and select these two faces and let's trim it. Yes. Now we can pattern it. From Create, Pattern, Rectangular Pattern, in Object Type Bodies and select this body. Axis, select this axis. Yes. In quantity 13 and distances 65. Direction symmetric. OK. Yes. So we have finally created the crease on the surface. Yes. We can hide the sketch from here. And now these bodies are in multiple bodies. To make them into single body, invoke stitch, select all the bodies. OK. Now it is a single body. OK. So that's it. That's how you create the crease. Now you can see it clearly. The crease has been created. Yes, and that's how you can design a clean crease on any curved surface in Fusion 360. OK. Now if you want to apply materials or colors, go to Render. And here in Appearance, you can add materials and colors. Yes. So that's it. This method helps you add detailed patterns, textures or functional features to complex models. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Fusion 360 and other CAD tutorial videos. Thank you.